On this video today, I'm going to show you a new strategy that you can use to make money with CPA offers. As you can see right here, I made $768 using this same strategy. So make sure you keep on watching till the end, because this strategy does not require any skills, does not require any investment, and I'm going to show you all the details that you need to know about this method. So if you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. So now let's get into the details. The first step is that we are going to create max bounty accounts. This is a CPA network that you can find a lot of different CPA offers to promote so that you can be earning money from home. Once you create your accounts and log in, you are going to see a page like this. As you can see, these are offers that you can promote to earn money from home. You can see this one right here. You are going to be earning $1 per every lead that you get. You can see this one right here. You are going to be earning $65 per every lead that you get. You can see right here $2.25 per every lead that you get. You can see this one right here, $25 per every lead that you get. As I scroll, you can see there are many CPA offers on this platform that you can promote to earn money from home. So now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you a simple offer that you can promote to earn money for free without investing any money. So now what you have to do is that you have to come right here, click on browse, so that you can find different offers to promote. Once you click on browse, you're going to see a page like this. Just come right here and then click on top so that you can find offers that are highly converting on this platform. Once you click on top, you can see these are the top offers on this particular network. It means these offers you can easily get people to sign up for them so that you can be earning money. You can see there are a lot of them. As I scroll, you can see many of these offers that you can promote so that you can get people to sign up for you to earn money on max bounty. So now what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be promoting one of them. So we are going to be promoting one of the top offers so that you can get a lot of conversion. We are going to be promoting this particular offer right here, Survey Junkie. So just click on it so that you can get your affiliate link. Once you click on the offer, you can see these are the details of the offer. You can see these are the traffic type that is allowed. Those that are cancelled, it means those traffic sources are not allowed. You can see right here you are approved to run this offer, so it means you are allowed to promote this particular offer. You can see right here the requirement is DOI, that is double opt-in. What it means is that once you get people to sign up for the offer, they have to get a confirmation link so that they'll click on it to confirm before you earn the payout. You can see right here the payout is $6.40 per every lead that you get. So once your potential visitors sign up and then confirm their email, you are going to be earning this amount right here. When you come here, you can see your daily cap, 200 actions per day. So you can only bring 200 leads per day. You don't have to bring more than 200 leads in every 24 hours. You can see the countries that is allowed is United States. Assuming you are able to get your 200 leads, you are going to earn up to 1,000 plus. So let's multiply 200 by $6.40 to see the amount that you are going to be earning in every 24 hours. So let's multiply 200 times 6.40 cents equal to, you can see you are going to be earning $1,280 in every 24 hours if you are able to take action using this particular strategy that I'm about to show you. So now what you have to do is that you have to get your affiliate link. If you want, you can come right here, click on preview so that you can see the landing page of the offer. But if you are not from the United States, you have to use a VPN so that you can see the landing page. If you don't have a VPN, you can just ignore it. I have a VPN, so I'm just going to click on it so that you can see the landing page of the offer. As you can see, this is the landing page of the offer. You can see right here, take surveys, get paid. So this is what your potential visitor is going to see. Once they click on join now, they are going to enter their email so that they can join this particular website. So once they confirm to take surveys on this particular website, you are going to be paid. They don't need to buy anything. They have to just confirm their emails and you are going to be paid. Now that you have seen the landing page of the offer, you can just click right here, build tracking link, so that you can get your affiliate link. So just click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to come right here and then select any of these. So just come right here and then click on native. Once you click on native, you are going to select raw link. Once you click on that, you can see this is your affiliate link. So you have to just click right here, copy link, so that you can get your affiliate link. But before you copy the link, I want to show you the traffic source and how you can promote this particular link to get a lot of people to sign up for the offer for you to make money on maxbounty.com. Once you have your affiliate link, the next step is that you are going to come on Google and then search all of Craigslist. Once you search for that, you are going to see a page like this. Just click on this particular website right here. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. This website allows you to search for anything on Craigslist. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to search for people in the United States who are looking for jobs. So just come right here and then type your keyword. So you are going to type job. Once that is done, you are going to click right here and then select resumes. So just click on that. Once you select that, you are going to come right here, enter any zip code that you know in the United States. Enter it right here. Once you enter the postal code, you can come right here and then select a distance. You can also leave it as any distance. So once that is done, you are going to click right here, search, so that you can get job seekers in the United States. Once you click on that, you are going to see a page like this. So just scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see this area you have about 20 cities. So there are a lot of people who are seeking for jobs. You can see this one right here. You have 13 cities. You can see this one 12 cities. As I scroll, you can see this one right here 15 cities. You can see 14 cities. So now what you are going to do is that you are going to click on one of them, or you can just select any of them that you want. In this case, I'm going to be using this one, so just click on it. Once you click on the city that you select, you can see these are people who are looking for jobs. You can see house cleaning. You can see work, you can see job wanted immediately, daily pay, you can see seeking a delivery driver position, you can see transport, delivery seeking for employment. You can see a whole lot of different people who are seeking for jobs. As I scroll, you can see many of them. Once we get to know that these people want employment, we can promote the offer to them, because it's about make money online. So these people will be happy to make money online from home. So what you have to do is that you have to promote the offer to them. To promote the offer to them, what you have to do is that you have to click on the application so that you can send a direct message to the job seeker. So just click on any of them that you want. In this case, I'm going to use this particular one to demonstrate for you to see. So just click on the application. Once you click on the application, you can see very strong, responsible guy looking for any jobs you may have. So this person will be willing to sign up for the offer for us to make money. So what you have to do is that you have to click right here, reply. Once you click on that, you can see show email. So just click on that. Once you click on show email, you are going to select your email server. You can see right here, Gmail, Yahoo, Hotmail, AOL Mail. Any of them that you are using, you can just select it. So I'm using Gmail, so just click on the Gmail. Once you click on that, you are going to see a page like this. Just delete this one right here. Just highlight and delete it. Once you delete it, you are going to paste your own message here. You want to tell them that you have a job, so they have to sign up so that they can be making money from home. So just paste your email message right here. As you can see, this is my message. I have read your resume and I believe you can be a better candidate for this position in our company. It is an online position which you can work from home. Click here to join us. So what you have to do is that you have to insert your affiliate link here, so that once they read the message, they can click through and then join Survey Junkie through your affiliate link, so that you can be making money on Max Bounty. So now what you have to do is that you have to come back on Max Bounty. Once you are on Max Bounty, you are going to click right here, copy link, so that you can copy your affiliate link. Once you come back, you are going to highlight this particular text. Just highlight it. Once you highlight it, you are going to click on this particular icon right here, insert link. Once you click on insert link, you are going to paste your affiliate link right here. As you can see, that has been done. You can test the link right here to see whether it is working. Once that is done, you are going to click right here, OK, so that your link will be inserted right here. So anytime the applicant click through this link, they are going to sign up on Survey Junkie, so that you can be earning money on Max Bounty. Let's personalize it. So just type dear applicant. So let's make it like this. Once you have your message, the next step is that you are going to click right here, send, so that you can send the message to the job seeker. As you can see, it is sent. You can see message sent. So what you have to do is that you have to come back, click on this one, reply them with the same message. Click on this one, reply them. Click on this one, reply them. But you have to keep on using different email servers. You can use Hotmail, you can use Yahoo, use Gmail. So you are going to create an account using those servers, so that you can be sending a lot of emails on this website for free. You don't need to do anything. All that you need to do is that you have to just send them the message, so that they can sign up and you are going to be earning money on Max Bounty. So that is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.